Natutunan ko ang ibig sabihin ng patience. Ang ibig sabihin na pag gusto mo, kunin mo, huwag kang bibitiw, huwag kang susuko.
Well, I've been staring at this hole in the sky. See, I keep wasting my time wondering of all the places I could go. I'm not who I was in the dreams we dare to dream when we are young. One day we wake up and we become something different. We are the sums of our decisions, the fruit of our ambitions, a grain of sand, a drop in the ocean. Oh, what a trying notion. Pacing these tiles for a while, see I keep wasting my time wondering.
Sa 8 years natin, it was fun. Wala namang perfect relationship. Merong pag-aaway, hindi mawawala yan. Ang mahalaga is nagmamature tayo on how to deal and handle such misunderstanding. At nalagpasan natin at patuloy natin lalagpasan ang mga problema na yun together. Almost 1 year preparation, eto na yun. Not perfect, but still special. Ito na yung araw na I will commit myself to be the best husband, to be the best father for our future children.
I am sorry for the things that I have said and I have done.
8 years is a long time, and our relationship was not easy. Madami din tayong pinagdaanan, and what I appreciate the most from you is that you make it a point na nagkakaayos tayo before the day ends. Thank you for not leaving my side until the very lowest time ng life ko when Mama got sick and until she passed away. Naalala ko pa, halos pagalitan ka na ng boss mo, kaka-absent and leave mo para tumulong sa pagbantay kay Mama sa hospital hanggang sa burol ni Mama, andun ka.
God gave me a special person na nagka-function as my friend, my best friend, my motivator, my inspiration, and my source of strength. Sa ating dalawa, walang selusan in terms of achievement. We share it and learn from it. Kahit minsan sinasabi ko na mas magaling ako sa'yo, well, that's my only way of pushing you to do better. Kasi alam ko na mas magaling ka at mas may gagaling ka pa.
You never left my side sa kahit anong sitwasyon. Andyan ka sa tabi ko. Kahit minsan that I don't ask for it, pero andyan ka pa din. Thank you for being patient with me during my topak days. Thank you for caring for the people I cared for and loving the people I love. Today, I promise to be patient during your Topak days. I promise to be your number one fan. Mapa-basketball, volleyball, or PlayStation pa yan. I promise to be faithful and love you all the days of my life. I love you, mahal ko.
I will always be your protector. I will always be at your side. Sa likod mo or sa panaginip mo to watch over you. We will still continue to travel together, to fulfill our dreams together, and I will always be around you. Always.